Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, I'm here to give you an update on my academic pursuits. I've made a small little achievement by the grace of Allah and the prayers of my parents. I'm here to inform you that Alhamdulillah, I have published 3 international books in less than 3 years. All my books were published by Peter Lang Publishing in New York, whose name appears on the HEC's recognized publishers list. Alhamdulillah, the credit of this achievement goes to my teachers, my family, my colleagues, and my students, and their unwavering support, for which I am grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And let me tell you the brief details. My first book came in December 2020, and the title was Nuclear Deterrence and Conflict Management between India and Pakistan. Alhamdulillah, the publication was successful. Therefore, Peter Lang offered me to publish my second book as well. My second book published in January 22, and the title was South Asia Needs Hybrid Peace. In fact, the terminology hybrid peace was coined by me, and it was not against hybrid war or parallel to hybrid war, but it was inspired by Qaed's vision of peace within and peace without. Alhamdulillah, second book also went very well. So therefore, Peter Lang offered me to publish my third book as well. By the grace of Allah, my third book was published in less than 3 years from the first book on August 9, 2023, and the title was Understanding Sun Tzu and the Art of Hybrid War. In fact, Sun Tzu's classic Art of War, when I studied it and translated it in Urdu, then I referred it now as the Art of Hybrid War, because I believe Sun Tzu conceived the hybrid warfare concept. However, the terminology did not exist at that time. Once again, Alhamdulillah, I am grateful to Allah for His blessings, for His countless blessings on me, that I was able to call myself as the first Pakistani to publish 3 international books on the subjects of social sciences in less than 3 years. All credit to my parents for their prayers, my family for their unwavering support, once again to my teachers, to practitioners, to militarymen, to Pakistan Air Force, where I've served for so many years, and National Defense University, colleagues and students alike. And not to forget my colleagues from Qatar, Kuliya Johan bin Jassim, who provided me fullest support where my first book was published. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much for your patient hearing. Allah Hafiz.